Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to film a lunchtime tidy up routine. So this routine is ideally, we'll see if we actually make it, supposed to last about 45 minutes to 50 minutes. Because I already spent 5 minutes of my lunch hour coming home and going to the bathroom. And then of course I have to spend that same 5 minutes getting back. I have a whole list of stuff to accomplish on this lunch hour. It's just kind of stuff that I could have got done during the week, but I didn't. Well, like during the week at night. And I didn't, so we're gonna try to do it today. And it is Friday, so that's why I said during the week, because I want to get this stuff done before the weekend, so I can have a more chill weekend. My house is pretty clean, to be honest, so this is just kind of some like bigger, like tying up loose ends type task. But anyways, I'm gonna stop talking because I've already wasted like a minute blabbering at you guys. And I'm gonna show you my list and get right into it. Also spent some time over here with my pasta sauce. I got the sauce added and stirred up the veggies for a few minutes while I talked to my husband. So this is looking and smelling very good. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get my trash taken out because that one's full, and then I have some in the laundry room to take out as well. You can see over here, we're gonna open the door and work on getting the stuff out to the dumpster. quick list check-in. We emptied the plastic drawers and I took out the trash. I'm not gonna have time to actually put up my laundry, so I'm just gonna go put my basket in my closet to do later. And then I'm gonna vacuum real quick, so I have about 5 minutes until I need to leave to be back at work on time. Alright, vacuuming is done, so I'm in the kitchen. I'm going to turn off the sauce and get that put up real quick. And that is going to conclude the lunchtime cleanup. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you did. And don't forget to subscribe if you are enjoying my videos. Alright, loves. See you next time. Bye.